Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestLab 5.2.12 and we are going to explore switch port status. In this lab, you will explore the switch port status. Devices are connected to the branch 1 switch as shown in the diagram. No other devices are connected to the switch. During your exploration, look for a line similar to the following. Fast Ethernet 01 is up, line protocol is up and connected. In this lab, your task is to complete the following. You're going to view the current status of the fastnet interface port. Select branch 1, press enter to get started. At the branch 1 prompt, type enable and press enter. At the branch 1 prompt, type show IP interface brief and press enter. To see all the ports, press enter until you are returned to the branch prompt. Answer question 1 to 3, shut down the fast Ethernet 02 interface and view the result at the branch prompt. Type config T and press enter. At the branch 1 config prompt, type interface Ethernet. Alright, so let us start up right away. So the first thing that we want to do is to start with the first task, which is to view the current status of Ethernet fast. Okay, so we are going to open this branch 1 and type en, then press enter. Then we're going to type show IP space int space brief and press enter. Okay, so let's look at the questions that we have and see if the information will help. What is the status of a fast Ethernet port 0/1-0/3 and 0/24? What is the status of the fast Ethernet port? Okay, so for the first question, the answer is going to be up, line protocol is up. And for the second question, what is the status of fast Ethernet port 0/4 and 0/8? The correct answer is going to be down, line protocol is down. And the third question, what is the status of fast Ethernet port 0/4/6 and 0/4/7? Why do they have this status? The correct answer will be let's see. The correct answer will be up, line protocol is up. That means that there is no hardware. Okay, so let's minimize this and continue with the other tasks in this lab. So we're going to type in config space T, press enter, and int space FAO FA0/4/2, press enter. Then you want to type in shut down, press enter. So let's go over to answer some questions. What is the status of a fast Ethernet 0/2? And that is going to be administratively down. The protocol line is down. So we'll go back to the terminal. And this time around, we are going to move this here and open SFO terminal. So press enter and press EN enter. Then we press show INT, press enter. Let's go over to answer some questions. How does having an IP address for the branch 1 router interface affect the fast Ethernet 0/0 interface status in SFO? Having an IP address set for this interface does not affect the interface status of the switch. How does the status of fast Ethernet 0/4/24 on branch 1 change after shutting down fast Ethernet? Okay. So we'll go back to the terminal. I'm going to type in config space T and you press enter. So we're going to type in int space FA 0/0 and press enter, and we type in shutdown, press enter. So type in IP space int space brief, press enter. Let's go over to answer some questions. How long does the status of fast Ethernet 0/24 on branch 1 change after shutting down fast Ethernet 0/4/0? Correct answer is the switch interface status is down and line protocol is down. So let's go ahead and see how we do. So we score lab and it is a pass. The score is 100%. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to join my professional membership so that you get access to other videos that are not available here. You can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.